In today's video, I'm going to teach you what a balance sheet is and how to use it inside QuickBooks. A balance sheet is one of the most important financial statements for any business because it provides a snapshot of your company's financial position at a specific point in time. It details what you own, what you owe, and how much you or your shareholders have invested in your business. In QuickBooks, generating and understanding a balance sheet can help you make informed decisions about your financial health and future strategies. Let's take a look at how you can access and customize this report within QuickBooks. First, we'll start by directing our attention to the left panel in QuickBooks. You'll want to click on the Reports option. It's usually located towards the bottom of that panel, so you might need to scroll down a bit. Once clicked, you'll be directed to a new page where you can find various report options. Your goal here is to find the balance sheet, so let's move on to the next step. After selecting Reports, you will see a section titled Standard Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores its default set of report templates that are useful for various financial analyses. You can scroll through this section, or, if you want to be a bit more efficient, use the search bar provided. Type in Balance Sheet into that search field. This will quickly filter out all other reports and present you with the Balance Sheet option. Now, go ahead and click on Balance Sheet. With a simple click, QuickBooks will automatically generate a balance sheet report based on your current financial records. The report provides valuable insight into your assets, liabilities, and equity, giving you a comprehensive view of what your business owns and owes. This right here is the power of QuickBooks, transforming complex data into understandable graphics and figures. At this stage, you have the basic balance sheet in front of you. But what makes QuickBooks truly versatile is its customization feature. It's up to you now to tailor this report further. You can use the toolbar above the report to adjust various elements, such as the date range. This is crucial because businesses often need to examine their financial position for specific periods, whether weekly, monthly, or annually. You can also customize which columns of data to include, focusing perhaps on certain types of assets or liabilities depending on your current needs or interest in analyzing specific sections of your finances. And with that, you've successfully generated and customized a balance sheet in QuickBooks. I hope this was clear and helpful, allowing you to harness QuickBooks' powerful tools for your accounting needs. Don't forget, the key is in customizing the report to extract meaningful data relevant to your specific business needs. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your financial analysis.